That's Keenan, Elk Grove Village Fire Department, Battalion Chief.
Okay, and can you describe what happened, what you were called to today?
Yeah, we were called for a possible roof collapse here, the 2400 block of American Lane, possibly due to the strong winds. Crews got on the scene. We had a bunch of debris, roof debris across the street and neighboring buildings. And we noticed some destruction up on the roof area. Our ladder truck came out here, put their ladder up and took a good view of what was going on in the roof area. Deemed it just looked like the roofing material itself and not the decking material, which was good for us and the building owner. So we're in the process of getting the key holder out here to assess their situation of damage so they can get a property rep or their vendors out here to do roof repairs and heating repairs.
Okay, and what is the debris in the front lawn there that's like, looks like?
It's foam insulation from the roof, which blew off probably due to the heavy winds that we're experiencing at this time.
Okay, and also what is the large structure you can see? It looks like it's on an angle. That's abnormal, right?
Yeah, that's actually, the wind got underneath that material and lifted it up. It's part of the roof structure.
Okay.
Not the metal decking, but the actual roofing material that insulates the roof and keeps it dry.
And is that a heavy structure, or is that just
it's a light,
like aluminum or something?
It's actually foam with, I'm not sure if this is a rubber membrane or not.
Okay, because it kind of looks like a rectangle, but that's actually...
Yeah, it's deceiving. It looked like there was a collapse, but there was actually no collapse.
There was no collapse?
No collapse.
Okay, great. And would you mind saying your name and spelling it one more time for the end of the video, too?
Sure. Mike Keenan, Keenan, the Elk Grove Village Fire Department.
All right, and you're battalion chief tonight?
That's correct.
Okay. Thank you very much.